Hello and welcome. For the first time, PMI has come up with a set of 200 questions from the previous PMP exams to help you get comfortable with the exam format and avoid any surprises during the exam. And it's absolutely free. This will be a very important resource in your PMP preparation, guys, because these questions, since they are coming from the previous PMP exams, will actually represent the type of questions which you can expect during the exam. So make sure you watch this video till the end to know all about how to access these questions. Hi, I am Ray and I'm a PMP certified project manager. The tips and strategies that I share in this channel are exactly the same ones which were used by me to pass my PMP exam in the first attempt. So before we move ahead, or if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I bring to you the most updated and relevant PMP coaching to help you pass your PMP exam in the first attempt. So let's go to my computer screen and let me show you how you can access this set of 200 questions from the PMI website.
So this is the link, guys. I'll give you the link in the description box below. So make sure you access this link. So this link is currently available for India. I really don't know whether PMI has made this free PMP practice exam available for the other countries, but just go ahead and type free PMP practice exam in Google for your country and you can see that whether this link is available for other countries as well. Now you see here it is a limited period opportunity that PMI is providing and it is a gem, guys. So this is a gold mine because till date I have not seen PMI releasing any sort of mock exam or mock questions. Okay, so make sure you make the best use of this opportunity. If you scroll down, so it talks about how this mock exam will help you knowing what kind of questions to expect when you take the exam. And the good thing is there has always been a feedback from the PMP candidates that the actual questions in the PMP exam are very different from the questions which they practice on other learning platforms like Simplilearn and Udemy. So in that way, this set of mock exam is a gold mine, guys. It is coming directly from the vaults of PMI and hence I can assure you that this set of 200 questions will definitely represent the actual PMP questions during the exam. The good thing is it comes at no additional cost. You just need to pay your exam fee and book an exam with PMI, or you need to be a PMI member to access this set of 200 questions. Okay. So if you are into a PMP application stage, just go ahead and click this visit application link, which will land to your PMI login portal, and you can access the 200 question set from that as well. Now, if you are a PMI member, there is a PMI single sign-on application from where you can access this set of questions as well. So what I have done is I have used my PMI single sign-on credentials to access this link because I am already a PMI member after my PMP certification. So this is the link from which you can access this page. I'll make sure that I add it in the description box as well. If you see here, the cost is $0 because you are a PMI member, so you can access this practice exam for free. Now you go ahead and add this to your shopping cart, and after the standard process of shopping, you land up with this confirmation page that your order has been successful and they have sent you the link in your email. Now if you want to access the mock exam, you can access through this link right here in your email. So once you click on this link, it will take you to this page of PMI. Since I have accessed it already once, it's showing resume. So if you are new to this section, it will show a button which says start. Okay. Now if I click on resume, so it will show another button here. So if you click on resume, so it will open up the landing page of the 200 mock exam questions. Scroll through these pages, so it has some bit of more details about the mock exam, and you land right on to this question. Now I have to hide this question because it is a proprietary question of PMI, and since I'm a PMI member, I have access to it, but sharing it on a public forum like YouTube will be against the copyright laws. But I assure you, if you have the PMI membership, if you have a PMI certification which holds in good standing, or if you are in the application process of writing the PMI exam, you will be able to access this 200 question bank, and you will be able to practice it before your PMP exam. So as I have said in the beginning of this video, this is a gold mine, guys. You should practice all of these 200 questions in detail. If possible, try to write it within the time frame given of 4 hours and try to give it as a mock exam and try to analyze each and every questions. So I can assure you that since this is coming directly from the PMI vault, it will exactly represent the questions which you will see in the actual examination, which has been always an opportunity with the other registered education providers, because most of the questions which you find with Udemy or Simply Learn, they do not actually represent the actual PMP exam questions. So all the best, and I really hope that you get sufficient time to practice all these 200 questions from the PMI vault before your PMP exam and be successful in your PMP exam.
That was all for today's video. If you have liked the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Now, if for any reason you are not able to access this set of 200 questions, don't panic. Because in the coming months, I will be uploading question and answers similar to the difficulty level of these questions to help you with your PMP preparation. These type of questions will actually represent the questions which you can expect in the PMP exam. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss on the notifications. And before you go, make sure to watch this video which talks about the new format of the PMP exam, which is going to be rolled out with effect from 1st of July. This will be a totally new format and includes a lot of important concepts like hybrid and agile. So thank you for today, and I'll see you again in this video.